Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am getting ready to do a Dutch pour on this lamp black by Creative Inspirations. And I'm going to go over my colors real quick with you guys. But first, let me show you how the last painting dried. It dried quite nicely. I don't know if you can catch all of that shimmer. Let me try to catch some light in here. But yeah, that's going to be super gorgeous once I put some resin or varnish on it. Now, I actually had a painting done for you guys, but when I was editing it earlier today, I decided I didn't really care for it that much. So we're going to do something fresh. Dutch pour, what I'm using is, this is iridescent gold fine with cadmium yellow from Creative Inspirations. This is a cadmium orange hue mixed in with a little bit of golden fluorescent orange. This is teal by Extreme Sheen Deco Art. This is a pearlized golden green. And this is, that golden green is by Master's Touch, by the way. Master's Touch. And this is a flesh tint by Creative Inspirations. So these are my colors. I will be mixing up a tiny bit of white since we're going to be using a black base. And also, I got this in the mail today. I ordered it from Amazon and I want to try it out. So I think I'm going to mix a little bit of this in with the teal. So I'm not going to bore you guys with mixing paint tonight. The recipe that I am using is actually, I will post it in the description for you guys. So yeah, we're going to go in with a little bit of this glitter so we can see. This is just it's supposed to be a clear glitter paint. I'll show it to you again in case you're interested in trying it. It's supposed to dry clear. So I hope that this is not showing up backwards. If it is, I'll put that in the description as well. So to these colors, I'm just adding my normal Dutch pour medium. We're going back to the basic recipe here. I got some new supplies in, restocked on my Floetrol and everything. And to these colors with this pouring medium, I will use water to bring everything to consistency. So I'll be right back with my canvas flooded with black and we'll begin this Dutch pour. All right, guys, we are back. The canvas is flooded and we are ready to get this pour started. Now, this is my titanium white, and I did also add the glitter paint to this as well. So it's going to be interesting to see how it shows up, or if it even shows up at all. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, white first. We're going to go down with the Creative Inspirations Nude next. And I'm going to try to balance this out. I tend to have more paint at the bottom of my pores. So we're going to try to make it even this time. So from the nude, we're going to go into our cadmium yellow with our iridescent gold mixture here. And next we're going to use our cadmium orange hue with our fluorescent orange, like golden. And we're gonna finish it up with Teal by Deco Art Extreme Sheen. Now, you remember I put the glitter paints in this one as well. So that, and last we're gonna use our pearlized screen by Master's Touch. All right, guys, it's looking pretty cool. Huh. I don't think I need to add any more white to this. We're gonna let it go. Yeah. Enjoy the music while I blow this out, and I'll be right back. Hey, I'm gonna add a little bit of black around my colors because I did tilt this pretty hard. It's not much paint on the canvas. Just to make sure we don't get our paint caught up while we're trying to have it flow. I want to see a nice blend. Yeah, that should do it. All right. Enjoy the music. Be right back. Alrighty, guys. I really don't see the sparkle that I thought I was gonna see. I don't know if that's gonna change once this dries, but I'm just gonna go through this a little bit to get rid of some of my hard lines. And I'm trying to figure out this area here. I don't really like that much. I don't know if I want to scrape it or hmm, hmm, hmm. Let's see. I'm gonna try to drag my finger through here, and if I still don't like it, then we'll scrape it a little bit. If it doesn't, Okay. Hmm. I think we're gonna scrape it a little bit. Uh, hmm. We're going to. I think I'm gonna take this part off about about right here. Yeah, I do like that better. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more black here, and then we're gonna bring you in so you can see how pretty, how gorgeous this one is. Okay, so I'm gonna torch this, and then I'm gonna clean up the edges, yeah, and then I'll bring you in. All right, guys, before I show you the close up, I just wanted to show you this painting because this was actually supposed to be uploaded earlier today, and I wasn't too pleased with it. And plus, I don't know if you can see that little trail going right there. There's a bug in there, so eh, if anybody wants to see the creation of this painting, just comment and let me know. I don't mind posting it if you guys want to see it. So let's get to the close up of this one. Okay. Um, okay. I think I'm gonna turn it around. Um, I like it in this orientation. So here it is. I did get some tiny little cells in here. Not much. I wasn't going for cells. This is actually my no cell Dutch pour recipe. But it does yield cells because the paint will react. And I'm using Creative Inspirations and different paint brands that usually make cells. So the cells are minor, but they are there. But I like this. It's kind of dramatic. And I hadn't used a black base in a while. So Now, this is one area right here that I'm gonna probably fiddle around with, where that glob of the flesh tint is. I don't like that, so I'm gonna fix that. But yeah, this is it, guys. I appreciate you for spending this time with me this evening. And if you made it to the end of the video, please like the video and share the video and hype the video. I would really appreciate your help with getting my channel out there. So appreciate you guys so much. And have a very, very beautiful evening. And I'm not sure if I'm going to post on Thursday or not. But for sure I will on Saturday. So if you want to see how this one dried, come back on Saturday and check it out. Again, thanks so much and have a beautiful evening. See y'all soon.